Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about modals. You have done them before, right? Let's review them together. Take a look at this table. Listen and repeat. Can and could express ability. I can jump 300 times. Permission. Can I go out? And polite requests. Could you take this, please? Can't expresses prohibition. You can't talk back at your mom. And impossibility. I can't eat all of this. Must expresses obligation. You must review your lessons. And deduction. She must be a great teacher. Mustn't expresses prohibition. You mustn't throw garbage here. May and might express probability. It may or might rain today. And permission. May I come in? Needn't expresses absence of obligation. I needn't or don't have to worry. I am safe here. Can, must, and may change in the past and in the future. Let's take a look at this table. Can is can in the present. I can swim. In the past, it's could. I could swim. And in the future, it's will be able to. I will be able to swim. Must stays must in the present. I must go. It becomes had to in the past. I had to go. And will have to in the future. I will have to go. May stays may in the present. You may leave. It becomes was or were allowed to in the past. I was allowed to leave. And will be allowed to in the future. She will be allowed to study. Excellent. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!